Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future videos. Thank you.
Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. And for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. Now, today's video is exciting because I like this one because I'm going to be showing you some tactics in terms of leveraging. Now, today's video, we're talking about the best credit cards to buy a car. Now, that being said, I just want to say something seriously. Gentlemen, please be careful of what you wish for. And the reason I'm saying that is because of this. A guy walks into a bar, okay, and he's accompanied by an ostrich and a cat. They sit down at the table. The bartender walks over and said, "What can I get for you?" The guy said, "I'll have a beer." The ostrich says, "I'll have a beer." The cat says, "I'll have a beer, but at half the price." Bartender said, "Got it." Walks away, gets the beer, comes back, said, "What else would you have?" The guy said, "Well, I am hungry." He says, "I would like some peanuts." The ostrich says, "I would like some peanuts." The cat said, "I would like some peanuts at half the price." So he walks away, gets the peanuts, comes back, put them down. He said, "What else would you have?" The guy sat there. He said, "I would like a bourbon." The ostrich says, "I would like a bourbon." The cat says, "I would like a bourbon, but at half the price." Now, as the bartender walks away, he turns back and says, "Wait a minute." He says, "I can understand you wanting what you want. I can understand the ostrich. But what's up with this cat? Why does he always have the price? What's going on here?" He said, "Well, I'll tell you what happened." He said, "I was walking down the street and I kicked the can. And this genie came out." The genie came out and said, "I'm going to grant you one wish." And the guy says, "I was feeling pretty lonely. And I said, I would like a chick with tall legs and a tight pussy." So that's how I ended up with the ostrich and the cat. Thank you. So back to what I was talking about with the best credit cards to buy a car. Now, U.S. Bank, okay, U.S. Bank Platinum, okay. Actually, they're U.S. Bank Business Platinum, okay. All right. And the reason I like this is because they give you 20 months of interest, zero interest, okay? And that's the reason I like. So if you got to do a balance transfer or, like I said, buy a car, and you're like, "Well, Houston, how do I buy a car with a credit card?" Couple ways, okay? If you say that you go to an auction, all right? You can go to a car auction online or to the public car auction. Now, also say that you want to go to dealerships. Some dealerships will accept credit cards, but if they don't accept credit cards, what you could do is once you pick out your car, you can actually put your credit card on plastic, okay? You can go to plastic.com. I'll put a link below. But for plastic.com, you put your credit card on there, and Plastic will do a money transfer or they'll send them a check. It's up to you. All right. So that's how you can actually buy a car. So that's a little secret that I want to share with you. Okay. Now, another card to use to buy your car for your business is they got the Southwest Business. Okay, I got the Southwest Business Rapid Rewards, and they give you 12 months, zero interest. So you can see where I'm going with this. The reason these cards, again, because they're giving you no interest for 12 months of buying power. So that gives you plenty of time to buy your car. If you're going to put it on Turo or something like that, rent the car out and stuff, this gives you a lot of leverage. So stick with me. Now you have your Chase Ink. Now, the thing about it with your Chase Ink Cash, even though it's 12 months of zero interest, here's the thing about it. It's on your personal credit, okay? This is on your personal credit. So I probably wouldn't use that one because it would bring your credit down. But the business credit cards is what you want to really focus on, all right? Now, you have the Amex Blue Business. Okay, and the Amex Blue cash, business cash, excuse me. So that's the thing about it. What you're doing, and they're 12 months. You're buying time. You're buying time. That's what you want to do. You want to buy time. You want to be able to get a qualified credit card to be able to buy a vehicle for your business and have enough time where you're just making the basic payments instead of paying interest on the loan. Okay, so this is the reason that I'm talking about these. Now here's something that I do want you all to understand. One of the cards that I like is the Amex Platinum. Okay, and the reason is because when you're at this level, the Amex Platinum, all right, it's unlimited. Okay, so what that means is that it pretty much goes off of how you actually manage your credit each month and stuff. And a good thing about Amex, where it used to be with a charge card, okay, with the charge card you have to pay it every month. Well, right now they have a thing called pot. Okay, and so what that means, what this term means, is that you doing a pay over time. So it's almost like you're making monthly payments on something. So instead of paying that large lump sum, so say that you buy a car and the car, and you put it on your Amex card and the car costs you $15,000, right? So they have a certain amount that you can do a pot with, right? So that way you don't have to pay it all. But again, the best reason for these cards, you want to focus on your Amex business, again, because you're buying time. You're being able to leverage more of your money. So these are some of the best credit cards to leverage with. Not only that, you got your Chase Freedom, okay? Your Chase Freedom, again, you're looking at what? They don't have zero interest on it, but at the same time, it is unlimited. Okay? And so with that unlimited, again, using this strategy, with the plastic strategy, being able to purchase your car. But again, like I said, with your personal credit cards, I wouldn't. Now, what's cool is that Amex, I don't know if a lot of y'all, Amex actually does have a platform for you to buy cars and stuff on. So that's one of the reasons, like I have been telling y'all, to build a relationship with a relationship with American Express and everything, because they have a lot. And for most people, they don't like that Amex because it's $550, but I actually showed you how to get this Amex for free in another video. So I'll be able to put the link so you'll be able to check that video out as well. Another one is the Delta Sky. Now here's another thing. Here's another perk. Because these here cards, not only when you're buying a large purchase, you also get your rewards, right? So you got your rewards, and so those reward points can go toward, like, maybe business supplies, or you may have to take a business trip and stuff like that. So you're all the way winning by leveraging these here cards. And again, I would focus on the business credit cards with zero interest. Is the cards that I would want to work with in order to buy my car for my business. So for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. And again, I hope I didn't offend nobody with that joke. I just thought it was funny and I thought it was humorous. But again, this is the information you should leverage in order to buy a car with a credit card. So this is Houston with 3-Way Funding. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.